Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 2, Global Supply Chain Networks, Section 7, Connectivity, Visibility, and Legal Considerations. Lesson 4, Master Data Management Fundamentals. Master Data Management, MDM, Fundamentals. Introduction for the beginner. Imagine trying to assemble a piece of furniture, but the instruction manual calls apart a screw in one step, a bolt in another, and a fastener in a third. You'd get confused, right? In a global supply chain, this confusion happens on a massive scale if the data isn't consistent. This lesson introduces Master Data Management, MDM, the process of creating a single, trusted version of all critical business data to ensure the entire supply chain network is speaking the same language. 1. What is master data? First, we need to distinguish between different types of data: transactional data, records of business events, e.g., a sales order, a shipment, an invoice. This data has a timestamp and a specific purpose. Master data, the core entities that are involved in those transactions. Master data is relatively static and describes the who, what, and where. Customer master data, names, addresses, credit terms, contact info. Product master data, SKUs, descriptions, weights, dimensions, categories. Supplier, vendor master data, company names, payment terms, manufacturing sites, contacts. Location master data, warehouses, distribution centers, port codes. 2. Why MDM matters in global supply chains. For a beginner, it's essential to understand that without MDM, connectivity and visibility are impossible. Clean connectivity. When your ERP system talks to a supplier's system, they need to agree on what a product ID means. MDM ensures the data exchanged via EDI or APIs is accurate. True visibility. If one system calls a product SKU 123 and another calls it item number 123, a visibility platform can't show you its true location. MDM creates a single source of truth, allowing you to see that a product is stuck in customs or on a ship. Efficiency. Prevents errors like shipping the wrong item, paying a supplier late because their address is wrong, or ordering redundant stock because product names are duplicated. 3. The challenge of silos. Most companies have different departments using different systems. Sales uses a CRM with customer data. Warehouse uses a WMS with location data. Finance uses an ERP with supplier data. The problem? The customer address in the CRM might be outdated, causing the warehouse to ship to the wrong place. MDM acts as the glue that connects these silos, ensuring that when the warehouse looks up a customer, they see the exact same information as the finance team. 4. Key MDM processes. How is master data managed? Data governance. This is the human side of MDM. It involves creating a committee or assigning roles, data owners and data stewards, who are responsible for defining the rules and ensuring data quality. Data cleansing. The process of finding and correcting errors in the existing data, e.g., fixing misspelled city names or standardizing date formats. Golden record, single source of truth. The goal of MDM is to create a golden record for each master data entity, e.g., one perfect, complete file for supplier X. 5. MDM and the legal compliance link. Connecting back to the legal considerations aspect of this section, MDM is crucial for regulatory compliance. Knowing exactly what products you have, product master data, is essential for recalls. Knowing exactly where your suppliers are located, supplier master data, is essential for sanctions screening or forced labor compliance. Audits. If auditors ask, show us every transaction with this specific supplier in the last year, you need a single, trusted supplier ID to pull that data quickly. Summary for the beginner. Think of master data management as the foundation of a house. You can build the walls, connectivity, and install the windows, visibility, but if the foundation, data, is cracked and uneven, the whole structure will fail. MDM ensures your global supply chain network is built on solid ground. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.